Hello, this is Deepika from CATIA Engineering team, Japan. Today we are going to take a look at one of the fastening capabilities available in our fastening solution from Specialized Solutions. Let's take a look at a use case where the user has to instantiate more than 1,000 fasteners in one go using fastener references. We will also look at positioning analysis that lets us quickly get an overall and accurate analysis of fasteners and fastened parts. Clicking on Create Spot Fastener, we can select the position or location of the fasteners that have been predefined in the specification tree. We also select a fastener reference from the available libraries and just click on the Auto Stack icon to trigger the automatic computation of stacking parts on the fastener location. So we click OK and it shows in real time how all of the 1,000 fasteners are instantiated simply and quickly. Fastener bundles created according to the stacking parts, they can be rechecked and confirmed from the specification tree and are available to be edited. Now that the fasteners are instantiated, we may want to look at the position and thickness computations using positioning analysis tool. So again, simply we select the created bundle and click Analyze Selected Fasteners. After the computation is done, the result is available in 3 previews. White preview represents the fasteners that are in correct position and they do not need any repositioning. Green preview represents the fasteners for which the point and the support surfaces are successfully found. So meaning these fasteners can be repositioned. Fasteners in red preview, they represent the group of fasteners for which the app may not compute a correct position. In this case, since all of the fasteners instantiated are displayed in white preview, we can confirm that they are in correct position and check the thickness as well. Now, what if we want to change the thickness of the stacked surfaces and reposition the fasteners? Again, a lot of fasteners, so how do we do it in a simple and elegant way? First, we change the thickness of the surfaces as desired. Here we can see it has been set to 1 mm. We use positioning analysis to analyze the selected fastener and check the changes in fastener's position and thickness. The result here shows that all the selected fasteners were successfully repositioned, and we can also check the thickness values which are displayed in a column. So this is how the user can instantiate more than 1,000 fasteners in 1 minute and confirm the position very quickly and efficiently.